Well, in the previous video, we have created this group with the name Chemistry Department. Just click on this group so you can export this group into MS Excel file. And if you click on this icon, so you can edit name and description. And from here, you can delete group. Let's see how we can share resources in Office 365 group. Just click on this app launcher and click on Outlook. Last time we discussed that we can share Outlook. So now if you can scroll down this in Outlook, you can in the groups, this is all. Click on groups. So these all our groups have been created in Office 365. These all are. Let's click on discover groups and search chemistry. Recently we have created this group. So this is chemistry department. We have to send a request to join this group. Let me add. We have to send request to the owner of that group. Let approve. So let approve this group. Now come to the groups. Office 365 created groups. So you can see now this is chemistry department group. Just click on this. Now this is group in Outlook. So in Outlook we can send an email to this group. We can share file to this group and we can share calendar. Just click on send email. Now you can see this is the email address of the chemistry department group. Just click on any description. Demo. Hello everyone. Just click on send. So now you can see in chemistry department and click on this email. This is the email which is shared to the all of the members of chemistry department. So there are so many, if there is any number of members in the chemistry department, so this email is shared with these all members. From here you can share file. Just click on file. From here you can create new folder or file, and from here you can upload a file. Click on files. Let me share a file. Let's suppose let's share this picture with that chemistry group. File is uploaded. So you can see that this file has been uploaded and shared with the chemistry group. So this is the benefit of the creating groups in Office 365. You can share an email with the group members. You can share any file with the group member, and similarly this is a calendar. So you can share a calendar with the group members. Click on calendar. So you can also share an event with the now this is the calendar office 365 calendar, and from here you can schedule a new event. Just click on new event. Just click on new event. Just add demo event. From here you can invite group members, but no need. This is the date and this is the time, 26. This is the date and this is the time from 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m. You can also click on all the day. From here you can click on repeat never, or repeat every day, every week, every month. Just click on never. Search. From here you can click up for Microsoft Team online meeting. Just click on Microsoft Team. Schedule an event for Microsoft Team. Just write description for your event. This is demo event, and click on save button. So you can see that an event, new event, demo event has been scheduled. You can see here, click on this. You can click on this. This is demo event. You can edit here, you can delete it, and this is description. And from here you can join the schedule meeting. So these all are about that how we can share resources with Office 365 groups. So in this video we learned that how we can share resources like this chemistry department member. We can send an email, we can share files, and we can share calendar for scheduling an event. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the rest of videos.